6 and 6 cancels out each other. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present here, and according to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first because it's on the left side, and here a number is getting divided by a fraction. And to solve this, what we can do is we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 10 as it is, change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 10 over 6 as 6 over 10, and then we have times 6 present from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present here. We will work from left to right. So here these 10s cancel out each other, and that leaves us with 6, and then we have times 6 present from the original expression, and when we simplify this we get 36, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.